Evangelical Methodists say the denomination must uphold biblical teaching on marriage rather than follow recommendations from a new report. The Methodist Church's Marriage and Relationships Task Group backed same-sex marriage, cohabitation and civil partnerships, and suggested a service for divorces. If the report is accepted by the Church's decision-making body, it will then be consulted on more widely, with a final decision being made next year. But Methodist evangelicals together said it remained committed to the Bible as its supreme rule of faith and practice. We therefore uphold the biblical understanding of marriage as the lifelong union of one man and one woman, and call upon the Church to do the same.